If you are a Jamaican living overseas and you've been here for a very long time, this video is for you. If you have been waiting for a sign to get your Jamaican passport, this is the sign. Many persons who have been living overseas since the farm work program are still living with no passport. Now is the time to come forward and apply for your Jamaican passport. There is absolutely no reason why you cannot get a passport. You may not have a valid ID at the moment because you never got a passport and hence no other ID. That is not a problem. We can assist you. You may not know where to find your farm work ID. Not a problem. Come forward and we can assist you. No matter how you came into the country, you should be able to get your Jamaican passport. Give 876 Documents a call. We can assist you. I am Gail. This is a message for any Jamaican living overseas. And by overseas, I don't just mean America, Canada, and the UK. I mean anywhere outside of Jamaica, in the Caribbean, on the African continent, in Europe. If you don't have a Jamaican passport, give 876 Documents a call. We can assist you. Now is the time. Thanks for watching.